The exercise communicate English. Number 1. Do you like me to help? Question mark. Do you like me to help? Question mark. This is used when you want to be polite. Polite से बात करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Next one. Do you want me to reserve your ticket? Question mark. Do you want me to reserve your ticket? Question mark. Bracket. This is used with friends and people you know well earlier. पहले से आपको पहचानने वाले के साथ यूज करना. Once again. Do you want me to reserve your tickets? Question mark. This is used with friends and people you know well earlier. पहले से पहचान वाले का बोलते हैं. Next one, third one. Would you like a cup of tea? Question mark. Would you like a cup of tea? Question mark. This is used when you want to be polite. Once again, would you like a cup of tea? Question mark. This word is used when you want to be polite. Next one. What would you like to have? Question mark. खाने को आपको क्या चाहिए? This is used with our intimate friends. Once again, what would you like to have? Question mark. This is used with our intimate friends only. For accepting an offer heading. For accepting an offer heading. Example, do you want a piece of cake? Question mark. Answer, yes please. Once again, do you want a piece of cake? Question mark. Answer, yes please. Would you like a drink? Question mark. Answer, thanks. A cup of tea please. That's all. Next one. Heading. The different expression of the word afraid. The different expression of the word afraid. AFRAID. ये जो afraid है वर्ड को बहुत बड़ा मीनिंग रहता है. उसका एग्जाम्पल रहता है. स्पेलिंग AFRAID afraid. Example. The word afraid has many meanings. Write down. Number 1, fear, regret, REGR, regret, unhappiness, unwillingness, पसंद नहीं, unwillingness, nervousness, distaste, DISTAST. Yes, have the meaning. Further example. Example number 1. My grandfather is a short-tempered person, so I am afraid to talk to him. समझो क्या है? ग्रैंडफादर एकदम गुस्सा वाला है, जट से उस गुस्सा आने वाला है, इससे बात करने को डरते हैं. मतलब एक्सेप्ट माय ग्रैंडफादर इज अ शॉर्ट-टेम्पर्ड पर्सन, सो आई एम अफ्रेड टू टॉक टू हिम. हियर क्या बताता है? हियर इंडिकेट फियर ऑफ fear and means fear and phobia. डर लगता है. Number 2 example, different meaning. Sir, we may go to Delhi on next week, we are afraid we can't attend your daughter's marriage. इसमें क्या है? मैरिज अटेंड करने का अवस्था बताता है. मीन्स इंडिकेट अनएबल टू अटेंड द मैरिज. वो मैरिज दिल्ली जा रहा है, इसलिए वो सर को बोलते हैं, शादी इन्वाइट किया 4 दिन पहले, और बोलता है सर अनएबल टू अटेंड. एग्जाम्पल से सर, we may go to Delhi on next week, we are afraid we can't attend your daughter's marriage. Bracket, here indicates unable to attend the function or marriage. Number 3. My mother does not know that I am in love with a girl. I am afraid to reveal it to her. वो ये लड़के के साथ उसको प्यार है, ये मम्मी को बताने के लिए उसको डर लगता है या शर्म आता है. इसके वजह. Once again, my mother does not know that I am in love with a girl. I am afraid to reveal, REVEL, reveal to her. Bracket, here it indicates unable to speak out. Next one, number 4. I am afraid of speaking in public. फिर क्या है? पब्लिक में बात करने को डर रहता है. I am afraid of speaking in public. Here it indicates no confidence. No confidence at all. बात करने को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं पब्लिक में. समझो कोई भाषण देने का, हम मिनिस्टर बैठा है, गवर्नर बैठा है, ऐसे टाइम बात करने को डर लगता है. लास्ट वन. The doctors that the patient is in a critical condition. I am afraid that he will be able to live only for a few days. Once again, the doctor said that the patient is in a critical condition, I am afraid that he will be able to live only for a few days. इसमें क्या बताता है? Here indicates sadness, means only थोड़ा दिन जिंदा रहेगा, इस बारे में उसको थोड़ा दुख रहता है. These are the special meaning of this type of words. Once a small speech, my dear friends and students. Many people come to me, sir, when the corona will disappear or eradicate from this world. I said I can't. It is came out of blue. It's an uninvited friend. Spanish flu came to the world 100 years back. Crores of people killed. Then plague came to the world. Many years remained. Crores of people died. Then so many diseases. Then cholera, are very dangerous. We killed more than crores and crores of people. These are coming and going. We can't do it. It's left to nature or left to God. We believe that there's a creator, means God. So God may be like that. God G, God generator, or operator, D, destroyer. It may be like that. God जनरेट ऑपरेट डिस्ट्रक्टर, ये तीनों उसने करते हैं. क्या है? वी कॉन्ट डू एनीथिंग. जी ओ डी, गॉड, जनरेटर, ऑपरेटर, डिस्ट्रक्टर, डिस्ट्रॉय. हम बनाते हैं, हम करते हैं, हम डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं. तुमको क्या, हमको क्या कर सकते? कुछ नहीं करते. सो फ्रॉम द राइट बिगिनिंग, वन वे और अदर, ऑल आर सफरिंग, पेन, टेंशन, वन वे और अदर. When you solve one problem, another problem coming to the other ways. Nobody is free from tension due to corona or any disease. Nobody is free from tension and worries. Some are physically, some are mentally. What does it mean? This is what you've done. Face everything head on. Then put it. If you go on thinking corona, then you can't live. Take precaution and do your job, do your work. Keep in touch with family. Try to, if you are senior citizen, please don't go out. Play with your grandchildren. Play with your kids and read books and all. Everybody is always, now the topic is in the many people's tongue, corona. When it can be disappear from the world. Where people are, I am praying every day. My daughter is in America, my son is in Canada, my other cousin is in Germany. They are also inside, they are alone there. We the parents are here. Some students studied in my class some 10-15 years back. Now they are in Western country. Some are in good position now. Now they are in panic and despair. They are telling messages to their parents. So the parents talk to me, sir, my daughter is in Canada. Many people died in Brazil, Canada and all. So what I can do? I can say only pray to God. It is the same willpower I have, the same willpower. It is suffering throughout the length and breadth of the world. Plague not spread throughout the world. Spanish flu not spread everywhere in the world. But corona spread all the length and breadth of the world, even African jungle. It has gone even Antarctica. Just imagine how long we can continue. It is spread through one person from China, Wuhan. From one person spread crores and crores of people in the world. Just imagine what a dangerous virus it is. It's like a devil. It's an unknown devil. They aim to harm the people, human beings, but not harming the animals and birds, specially selected for killing human beings. Just imagine. From a person or a man, spread the nook and corner of the world by leaps and bounds rapidly without any rest, traveling like a speed lines or superfast. What is this? I can't, you can't. We can feel pity on those who are died and those who are suffering. Many people are still in tension. Their relatives or important person or breadwinner or important son or daughter victim for this corona died. Many were left in the heavenly abode. Corona forged unnecessary graveyard and tomb anywhere in the world. We have seen after death they are burying like a dog, no any respect. The natural death at your home in somewhere, religious rites are there, funeral coming attend the church, father from church and temple, the pujari, priest come and do the last rites and bury the dead body. But what is to be done? Thousands and thousands of people die at a time. No any religious rites. You have to face it. You have to head on. That's all. Be patient. Be pray. Be pray to God. If there is God, there is solution for it. If there is a reason, there is solution. There is a night, there is a day. There is summer season, there is a rainy season. So this is considered. All are in panic. Even the richest man. This corona or any condition is a epidemic. Don't take rich or poor. It is equal to. It has no any quality or partiality, rich, poor, or poorest, or middle, or any. It affects anyone. Even the prince or the lower caste, everybody affects this. Corona's name may be different. We don't know. It may take some time, a long time, or very short time. Let us wait and see for a silver lining. A fairy godmother will come to help us. Have a nice day. May God bless all of you.